Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of a and b. So if we have a square minus b square equals to 77 and we solve this problem for the values of a and b, but here you remember one thing is that here our a and b must be belongs to an positive integer. It means that we solve this problem for positive integral values of a and b. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus in the left hand side, and in the left hand side we apply here the nice algebraic formula. So according this we know that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and it is equals to 77. And here you see that in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So here we need to make two factors in the right hand side. Here you remember that we need any two positive integer numbers whose product will become 77. So here we have some possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is 77 are when you multiply 1 by 77 it is equals to 77, and when we multiply 77 by 1 so we again get 77, and after that we have 11 times of 7 becomes 77, and 7 times of 11 is also becomes 77. So we have these four possibilities in which the product of two positive integers becomes 77. But now here we choose some possible values for this. If we make the relation of these two factors, so here we say that for all a and b, a minus b is always less than or equals to a plus b. So it means that here we need to choose those factors in which the first value is less than the second value. So you see here 1 is less than 77, so we choose this value, and in this case 77 is greater than 1, so we rejected this case, and 11 is greater than 7, we rejected this case, and 7 is less than 11, so we accept this case. So here we have two possibilities for the product for the pair of 77. So we just divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we compare the left hand side with these two values, and the second case is we compare these two values in this case. Okay. So here in first case we write our a minus b is equals to 1 and a plus b is equals to 77. So in first case when we compare the left hand side with these numbers we get these two simultaneous equations, and now here in second case we need to compare the left hand sides with these two numbers. So after comparing we write it as a minus b equals to 7 and a plus b equals to 11. Here we call this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, this is our equation number 3, and this is our equation number 4. So here we get positive integer values of a and b from these two cases or these four equations. Now here first we need to focus in case number 1. So here first we solve our case number 1 and we get the values of a and b. So here you have this is equation number 1 and 2. If we add these two equations, then you see here this is negative b and positive b are cancelled out by each other, and we add these two values so that here first we add equation number 1 with equation number 2. So when you add these two equations you see here this is negative b and positive b are cancelled out by each other, and we get a plus a is equals to 2a, and 1 plus 77 is equals to 78. So here, because we solve this problem for the values of a and b only, so from here we get the values of a. Now so we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So these 2 and these 2 are cancelled out by each other, and here you have in the right hand side, this is 2 times of 3 becomes 6, and we carry 1, and 2 nines are 18. So here we obtain our a is equals to 39. Okay, so this is the first value of a, and now here we need to put this value of a in equation number 1. So this is our equation number 1. So now here we copy down equation number 1 here. So equation number 1 is implies that this is a minus b equals to 1, and we put this value here, it will becomes 39 minus b equals to 1. And here we move 1 to the left hand side and minus b to the right hand side, and it will becomes 39 minus 1 equals to b. So this implies that b is equals to 39 minus 1 becomes here 38. So this is the value of b which we get here from first case. And you see here both of these two values are our positive integers. And now here we move forward, and we again and we move forward to the case number 2, and here we get again the values of a and b. So from case number 2 we again we add equation number 3 and equation number 4. So here we add equation number 3 and equation number 4, and you see here when we add these two equations, this is negative b and positive b are cancelled out by each other, and we get here a plus a becomes 2a, and 7 plus 11 becomes 18. So after adding these two equations, we obtain here 2a is equals to 18, and for the values of a we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and this is 2 nines are 18. So from this case we get the value of a is equals to 9, and you again see that this value of a is also a positive integer. And now for values of b, here we need to put this value of a in equation number 3. So that here our equation number 3 is implies that equation number 3 is that we have a minus b equals to 7, and we put this value of a here, it will becomes 9 minus b equals to 7, and this implies that we move minus b to the right hand side and 7 in the left hand side, and we get our b is equals to 9 minus 7. So from here we get the value of b is equals to plus 2. So you see here from second case we get the two values of a and b, and you also see that these two values are positive integers. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.